Right guys, it's camp cook-up time again out here at the Wattigans. So you know what to do, go grab yourself a drink, kick back on the lounge, and hope you enjoy this one. So I'll probably call this one a tropical beef wrap or tacos. They'll be done in the tortilla wraps. So what I'm going to do is get the beef on the barbecue. What I've got is beef, some wraps, coleslaw mix, which I'm not sure about yet, a red onion, coriander, some cherry tomatoes, mango, some pineapple, olive oil, some soy sauce, and some ground chili. So I'll make up a bit of a salsa as well and make up a mix to put on the meat as it's cooking away on the barbecue. Just going to make up a little mixture first of all to cook the beef in. So a little bit of olive oil, want some honey as well, so roughly 2 spoonfuls or just however much you want. Got a bit of soy, couple of splashes, some pineapple juice. So I've got some crushed pineapple here which I'm going to use in the salsa as well, so we'll just take the juice out of that. Bit of ground chili. That's plenty, that's probably a bit too much, but... and salt, pepper and garlic. Just stir that up. Once all that's mixed, we'll get the meat on the barbecue. We'll start getting this into it to create some depth and layers to it and make up the salsa. Just try to tidy up a little bit here. So I've got the meat in here just marinating. It's been in there for a while now. So what we're going to do, get that on the barbecue, let that cook through. It's just on a medium heat, and then come back and make up the salsa. I'll sear that all sides to try to keep the flavours in there, and then half hour. Rightio, to make the salsa, just some coriander leaves. You just want to finely chop them. Red onion. You just want to finely chop this. I'm going to add the pineapple as well. This is optional. I've already taken the juice out, so just the pineapple in there. The mango. Let's take the skin off that. Just cut some cherry tomatoes in the quarters. Make sure you keep an eye on the steak, it's still over, I've just checked it. So half a tub of cherry tomatoes should be plenty. Give that a good mix. Two limes. Alright guys, there's your tropical salsa mix I suppose. The meat's almost cooked. Just slice that up thinly and then put your wraps out. You got some coleslaw there if you want that, and then just add the salsa. Right now, let's see how this turned out. Rightio, so we just grab our tortilla. Now, I've never done one of these before, so I'm just making it up as I go. A little bit of slaw, bit of meat, bit of the tropical salsa. There you go, a tropical beef tortilla wrap. Right guys, that's, I forgot to call that one tropical beef tortillas. Nice simple one, a little bit messy in the preparation, a little bit messy when you eat it, but we're out camping. So hope you enjoyed that one. Any questions, feel free to ask. Don't forget, like, share, subscribe. Cheers guys, travel safely.